All right, so we're going to do back to wall shoulder flexion, just a good range of motion exercise for your arms and a good posture checker. So you're going to go up to a wall, you're going to lean against the wall. Your feet are going to be off, but your butt is on the wall. So your feet off about 1.5 feet or so, and then you're going to start from your butt up and everything else on the wall. You're going to try to keep your back on the wall. You don't want a big arch here, so you're going to keep it as close as you can. Your low back can be off a little bit, that's fine, but your ribs here you want on. Arms at your side, and all you're going to do is just move your arms straight up. So you're going straight to the top. The goal is to get to the top and touch and come down. But you're going to go as far as your range of motion lets you. So as you go up here, if you can't get further, you stop. That's fine. The key to this exercise is this position right here. As you go up, your body's going to want to probably arch off the wall. You don't want to let that happen. You don't want a gap to form here. So you want to keep your back on the wall and you're going up. Just like that and down. You're going to do that 3 sets of 10 and you're just going to repeat. Good. You should feel some stretching here, some stretching here. You want to make sure you don't feel like you're getting real tense in your neck or up top. If you do, just try to relax the shoulders a little bit.